What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. It is Friday afternoon. We are fresh off the rollers from a little while ago. Hopefully we fixed the issue that we had.
Well, this isn't an ideal way to go home.
Because me and my co-pilot, how you doing, co-pilot?
Good.
Are going to go hang out with our new buddy Jared Compton and watch some monster truck racing. He is semi-local once again. I figure it's a nice little shakedown drive in our 800 horsepower drag and drive car, so we're going to use the drive portion of it. And I'm just laughing because if I have to like talk to anybody for directions or any of this stuff, we won't be able to hear him over the 5-inch exhaust. But we're going to throw some fuel in, get some drinks. We got to get there before the crowd shows up so we can get back to the infield. And then it'd be kind of fun if I get a chance, if I'm not in the way like a pain in the ass, hopefully. I'd like to get some pictures with this next to the Anubis because I think that would be rad. I thought about taking the Bago, but I feel like it's more cumbersome. So we'll sneak in the old loud girl over here. So let's go get some fuel. Let's go watch some monster trucks. All right, first stop, drinks. And drinks for the Malibu.
Just take it slow and easy. Don't worry about nothing. No good reason to be mad about something. These days are a little bit crazy. Maybe what you say right now. We take it slow and easy. And don't worry about nothing.
So we took a wrong turn and we're on a freaking dirt road. I don't think this is the right direction, babe. Look at off-roading. Off-roading the drag and drive car. Here we go, baby. I think the asphalt's up there. No more wrong turns. We got to get there, yeah? I need a Hugo the Navigator. No, we're still off-roading. Not good, sir. Not good. Alright, I see Perris wheels, dude. There it is. Now we just have to figure out how to get in. Yeah. Hey, look at us. We picked ourselves up a monster truck driver.
Yeah, I'm back, guys.
Last time we were here, I beat my wife racing. She'll say I cheated, but I still won. All right, we gotta share the toys and show the toys, but we made it. We're in the infield. What up, man? How's it going, brother?
Good, how are you?
Good, we're back. We brought the co-pilot.
Look at this. Look at this, twin Mac valves with compressed air. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's go show you guys some monsters. Well, we still have a little bit of light. Hopefully the camera footage isn't too bad, and then we'll get you some action from this evening. So it'll be cool because I'm on the inside, so I don't know where you can stand and watch these things, but we should be able to get some pretty rad shots from here. So let's go look at some trucks. We got some we've never seen. These things are so impressive in person. Looking at these from the stands is one thing, but being up next to them, these things are freaking, they're bad, dude. Kamikaze. Oh, we got some fuel injection, or at least some O2s going on. Nice. Alright, we got Gator. Boss Gator, not just Gator. What the ass if he upgraded his motor if we still run the same dude?
Oh, you guys got on the Jeep or Creeper, remember the name.
And this thing's pretty cool. The little ride-on Jeep. We got the seats, they bolt you all in. Smash Cancer Crew. Dig the colors on it. So that's pretty rad. And I think dude said, I don't know. I think he says powered by an LS, but we'll go look later. We won't get yelled at, so. Let's go check the monster truck at the end.
Yeah, this truck isn't meant for stoppies. It's a high, longer wheel engine back truck, so it's made for wheelies. Sky wheelies, a lot of wheelies.
That's it. We'll bring you back when these things light off, and then we'll try to find a good area to film from. Probably down there somewhere. I don't know where they're gonna let us stand, but they got pretty good sized jump here. They got another one there, and then the stands are up behind there. So yeah, they got a little kicker there. Should be fun. All right, so our boy Jared is not driving tonight. He has another dude driving. He may do freestyle, I don't know, but he's not driving, just to let you guys know. But it's still cool. He's helping the dude in the Gator. I guess we got a kind of another newer driver in the Gator truck. But a few of these other dudes, they're gonna let it rip. So it'll be pretty cool. And then we legit have jumps like right here, like right in front of us. So hopefully we get something decent. I'm excited. Are you ready with monsters? They're gonna do 2-trick, and then they're gonna do racing and then freestyle. So we got a lot of monster truck action, so we'll try to chop it up. But here comes the first one. Alright, so this is up my alley. They're saying it's racing, but essentially they start the white line, hit that jump, hit this jump across that white line. So it's basically drag racing. Who's gonna win? Velociraptor or Kamikaze? Who's gonna win? Kamikaze?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna go Velociraptor. I'm going Team Velociraptor. You tore that up, dude.
There goes the tranny.
Woo! That is a wrap for monster trucks. That kid, dude, the 17-year-old kid, this boy right here. That dude was burning it down. It was bad. A couple unfortunate things with some of the other guys in trucks, but again, these are all independent dudes out here putting on a show for all you guys. I'm just happy and glad to be a part of it. We'll see, maybe we can take more pictures and photo ops. Maybe talk to Jared a little bit before we get out of here. But yeah, they got to clean up, get stuff off the track and all that stuff. But yeah, everybody's digging it. All right, Perris, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's talk to the co-pilot. Co-pilot, what are you thinking?
Cool.
Yeah, did you enjoy this?
Getting sprayed in with water, yeah.
Yeah. You have fun?
Yeah.
You fun trip out here? All right, now we just have to make it home safe, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hopefully I don't get pulled over by the side of the road with Dad's skills on the Malibu.
No faith, man. No faith.
20 minutes later.
Okay, it's like 10:45. I just got pulled over. I thought we'd be in trouble, but apparently my taillights weren't working. My switch, if you turn it, it actually turns the taillights off. Dude was cool. And co-pilot's passed out. So I just gotta make it the rest of the way home safe. We're not too far away from home, but so far so good. This little detour with the police officer behind us.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon drive style, make your whole city rock. Malibu gangster, with a touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She sloppy too, we got a hit in 08. In the war performance parks all over the place. The bomb squad's on the scene, YouTube's going wild. Burndown videos, yeah, this thing's on fire. E85 pumps through my veins, I'm flying high. Twin pumps in the tank so she don't run dry. Here comes the Malibu, we bringing the heat.